In this video, I'll be showing you how to add date and time on home screen on Android. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any Android device that you have. So let's say you want an area where you can constantly just see your date and time, or this is the time, anything like that. All you want to do is long press in an empty area on your page. On the bottom, you're going to see widgets as one of the options, so go ahead and click on that. Now, what you want to go ahead and do, let's say you want to add date and time or anything, you can just go over, like, I can go to something like calendar, and it's obviously going to show, my calendar and stuff. But what I want to go ahead and do is if I go over to clock, I can obviously see clocks, but then I also see like analog clocks. So I can add a clock widget if I want to. So if I just want to press this analog clock, go ahead and press add, and then I can move this around anywhere I want. If I ever want to remove it, just go ahead and long press on it again, and then I can press the remove button right here. Now let's say you want to add date and time. Similarly to that, just go back to the clock section, scroll down, and then you're going to see a digital clock area as well, where you can have the date and time basically in one if you don't want a analog clock. So let's say I want to go ahead and choose this, go ahead and press add, and there we go, it's right there now. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.